This is a way to make brown butter pecan milk. I scaled out 60 grams of pecans and added them to a mason jar. I poured boiling water over top of the pecans to remove anything that was not supposed to be there and let them soak in the fridge overnight. I gave the pecans a quick rinse and added them to the saucepan with 25 grams of butter to brown them in. Frying the pecans in butter and allowing the butter to brown in the pan changes the flavor in a good way, almost candy-like, and I add a medjool date to intensify those flavors with more of the date's natural caramel flavors. I have scaled out 375 milliliters of distilled water into the blender top and added the date, so all I have to do is add the hot buttered pecans to the blender when the nuts are ready. When they get to this stage, I add them to the blender. I poured the blended mixture into a nut milk bag to remove the nut fiber. The nuts cool off almost instantly when they hit the cold water, so this milk wasn't hot at all. I gently squeezed the outside of the bag to release the milk. If the nut fiber isn't really dry, I'll just keep squeezing. The yield on this recipe is about 500 milliliters and will stay fresh for several days in the fridge.